Only 10-minute walk from Kamala Beach, and they have little green area. I call it little forest and beautiful pond and also stunning swimming pool. It will be one of the incredible holiday that you will enjoy the most at Princess Kamala Resort. As you can see, when we arrive, they're gonna give us a welcome drink, and in this spacious lobby, they have open space concept with combined traditional and element wood. From here, we can see clearly the beautiful of Kamala Beach. This resort is the perfect place to stay when you want your holiday becoming a beautiful, peaceful, and also become one of the memorable holiday. Okay, after finishing the check-in process, now we're gonna see our room that we're gonna stay for 3 days in Kamala Resort. Ta-da! Now we are in Princess Kamala Beachfront Hotel. So this is the room that we have been choose when we coming. We have this one for keep our luggage in here, and then they have umbrella because now it's September and rainy season. For amenities, they give us coffee, tea as usually, and then you also gonna get some mini refrigerator in here. Let me see, a little bit cool. Okay. And then we have this one, we call it almari. Okay, they give us head dryer and then safety lock also. What it is? Safety box, safety box in here. And then I love this one, the kimono style, because the fabric is different from regular kimono. They have some hanger in here for my clothes and my husband also. I didn't know what this one. What it is? Oh, center. It's an emergency if it is dark, so you can use it. And let's check the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Hello, everybody. So I like the bathroom. It's clean. The shower, like usually, is separated with the bathtub. And then the amenity, they give us some shower cap. We have some cotton bud, and then we have some toothbrush kit and body lotion, and also they give us over there is shampoo and also soap. The nice one. So everything is already clean in here, new one. And we have some table in here. In case you are hungry, they have some menu to choose. Okay, and then this one, I don't know what this one. Oh, if you want some massage also, they have some overing in here. Ta-da! What else they have? Television, of course. The regular one. Some antique craft they having in the wall. Pretty little cute, not too much. So as you can see, this one is like a traditional one, but it is so peaceful and beautiful, I think. Refreshing when you wake up in the morning and you can see right away the swimming pool area over there. Oh, we can slide this one, and then we have this one. Even this is September and people say it is gonna be a rainy season, but alhamdulillah this day is quite sunshine. The weather is quite good. Okay, so let's check the master bedroom. They give us some welcome, a cute one. I love this one. The crab handmade a Thailand style. The taste is very good, I think. And this is the hall of the room that we are rent for 3 days in Kamala beach. And oh, they also give us some fruits. We have apple and also orange. It's a nice one. It's peaceful. I truly recommend if you want to come here and have relaxation, or maybe you want to go for honeymoon. This is one of the best place you must try to come. See you. Welcome to our room view. So only 5 steps from our room we can get this stunning amazing view. And this is a total look in other direction. So this time I will show you around the hotel, so you will know what you will experience when stay in Princess Kamala Resort. Basically, in this hotel, there is a lot of kinds of room with a different view that you can choose, including in the right side. So in this right side, they also have a swimming pool, but not as big as in the left side. Before we go to the little secret forest that I tell you, I'm gonna show you the spa center in here and also the gym. So when you want to have some massage, you can do in here with a beautiful scenery, of course. And in front of is the beautiful swimming pool that near close to our room. And the right side, this is the gym center, and I will show you what it is inside. Quite small. Got this one. Oh yeah. What they have. Ooh, this is AC. So we need to close this one again. Okay, so practically they have a gym. And then this is the equipment that you can use. I love this design. It's a beautiful one. Check your weight over here. Oh no, I get my weight. So the gym is full AC. You're not gonna be worried exercising here. And this is the equipment that they provide for you for doing gym. Not too big, but if you love to having exercise, so I think it will be convenience for you. Okay, let's check another area. And of course, after doing gym, if you want something like, you can order for some massage in the left area. Right, this, when you get out from the gym, definitely you're gonna straight to the swimming pool. Ta-da! Yeah, this one. That's the swimming pool area. I need to be careful. I think last night raining. One the main of the reason I love this resort is because the greenish area. They have a lot of beautiful scenery with the green tree everywhere. Let me take you to the one of exotic site in this hotel. Definitely you need to go in the morning before breakfast, because not only you will enjoy the fresh air, but also the sound of the bird will make you walking morning journey become more magical. In front of the hotel, then we go for breakfast. They have what is this beautiful small temple in the left of the hotel. Oh, they even having some drink over there. Yes, we are fine. they have bread. Should we get this one first? Let me see what they have. They have salad also. You can put your egg like usually. Like rice, scrambled eggs, boiled, and omelette eggs. Omelette one. Yes. Thank you. Orange, pineapple. Wow. This is boiled rice with pork. Small noodle with chicken. Also, they have initial when it is pork. They make it like this, but it is in the same container. This chicken, this have pork. No, this one, because it is in the same container. Somehow it's going to be influenced. This one is safe, I think. Chicken coconut also. Beef masala curry. They have cow.
Not masala.
Oh, masama. They have cow. They have a picture cow. Oh, they have steamed rice, bacon, and baked bean ratatouille, chicken tikka, and macaroni cream cheese. Can we do this one? Oh, this one is safe, I think. So like usually they're gonna inform you in the return where it is having pork or not, but still you need to be careful and conscious because this is not a halal hotel. Somehow there is a lot of halal menu choices when you having breakfast, more than the hotel that we stay in Pattaya before. And the best part of the breakfast is you can see the view of the Kamala beach. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recommendation place to visit in Phuket, Thailand. See you!